Hello everyone. Let's see question number 56. Write the quadratic polynomial whose sum and product of the zeros are -6 and 8 respectively. Find the zeros of this polynomial. Verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients. We are given with the sum and product of the zeros. That is, if we consider alpha and beta as the zeros of the polynomial, then alpha plus beta will be equal to -6 and alpha beta product of the zeros is 8. We can construct polynomial using these values. We can use this formula, that is x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. Where did we get this from? It is the product of factors of the polynomial, that is x minus alpha multiplied by x minus beta. If we multiply these two terms, then we will get this relationship. We can skip this step and use this formula to construct the polynomial. X square minus alpha plus beta value is -6 into x plus alpha beta value is 8. This becomes +6. Correct? Minus into minus becomes plus. 6 into x becomes 6x plus 8. So this is the polynomial. Now we have to find out the zeros of this polynomial. For that we need to split the middle term. So we have to select two numbers such that their sum should be equal to 6x and their product should be equal to 6x square. So if we take 2x and 4x, their sum will be 6x and their product 2x multiplied by 4x will become 8x square. So the numbers are, or the terms are 2x and 4x. That's how we split this middle term. If we take the common term out, inside the bracket we will get x plus 2 and 4 is the common term. So if we take the common term out, then we will get x plus 2. And one more thing, we have to equate this to 0. To find out the zeros of the polynomial, we should equate the polynomial to 0. We have to convert it to equation. X plus 4 and x plus 2 are the factors of this polynomial, and x value will become -4 and -2. These are the zeros of the polynomial. Now we have to verify the relationship between zeros and coefficients of the polynomial. Relationship between coefficients of the polynomial and zeros of the polynomial are alpha plus beta is equal to -b by a and alpha beta equals c by a. That is, sum of the zeros will be equal to -b by a and product of the zeros will be equal to c by a. Alpha value is Let's take alpha as -4 and beta as -2. These are the zeros, correct? So let's consider alpha value -4 and beta -2. And b value is 6. So -6 by a is 1. -4 plus into minus becomes -2 equals -6. Here we have to add the numbers and retain the sign. -6 equals -6. So LHS is equal to RHS. Alpha beta, let's take this relationship. Alpha value is -4 multiplied by -2, that is B. C value is 8. Minus into minus will become plus. 4 2s are 8 equals 8. LHS is equal to RHS. So the relationships are verified.